In Tongaat, KwaZulu-Natal, a powerful tornado recently caused widespread destruction.
Yeah, you see this man is running.
Hundreds of homes and schools were destroyed, leaving over 1,000 families homeless.
He's coming right.
The storm damaged power lines, leaving many without electricity and adding the challenges faced by
Yeah, it's
residents.
coming this way.
Here at Jan Ross in Tongaat, where a tornado has just ripped through the suburb. There are enchantments. There's a lady that's stuck in one of the houses here.
Six people lost their lives in the disaster, with many others need urgent medical and material assistance.
Kuyasibhekene nayo egwaveni le phephuka izindlu zonke.
Rescue teams and local
Phepukile zonke
authorities
izindlu.
are
Look
working
at this thing.
tirelessly to help those
It is
affected.
so huge for this to be here. Look at the wind. Oh fuck, we need to get out of the storm, my baby. Look at it, look at it.
Public and charitable organizations are providing aid, but more assistance is needed to those left homeless and unsupported.